What's going on, everybody? I want to give you guys a little modification update to the 2023 Honda Grom that I've been riding around. So far, I currently have 1,390 miles on it. This is what we got right here. I'll let you guys see that. 1,390 miles. Right now, I've got no average, but my average gas mileage is around 140 miles to the gallon, allegedly. And we're going to do a quick walk around here. Just want to show off my nice new World War II helmet. I wish it had the spike on it. But that'll be the next purchase, potentially. So, as stated previously, this is my 2023 Honda Grom with 1,390 miles on it. I'm going to rip through the list of mods that I have done to it to make this thing a little bit more fun to ride. And I'm going to start off here with the exhaust. This exhaust is about $82 on Amazon, and it's held together with a metal zip tie because the springs from China did not fit on here. So Shafe hooked me up with a metal zip tie, and I have a white zip tie underneath holding it up. And my next mod that I got for it was a 2.5-inch lowering kit, which really changed the look of the bike. Same with the fender delete. I'll get into that in a minute. So this took about 20 minutes to install. I did it by myself. Didn't need any help or anything like that. Just the classic tools. I think it's a 17 on this side and an Allen key on this side. Let me show you here. Allen key action. So that was pretty easy to install. Like I said, I didn't need help or anything like that. It just went on pretty easily. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory when you get down to here. These kind of seat right on the angle right there. And it dropped the bike 2.5 inches in the rear. And since it dropped itself 2.5 inches in the rear, I went up to the forks, and I don't know if this is an ethical way to do this, but I lowered this about 3/4 of an inch, the front forks. So the whole bike sits a little bit lower all the way around, obviously. Only got 2 wheels. So that's what it's looking like. So the next thing I did was the fender delete. It got rid of the massive shark tail fender looking thing on the back that probably stuck out to like right here and had just like a slanted fender. It was kind of goony looking. So I ordered this off Amazon, and it came the same day as this did, so we did this in the same day. And I want to say this is like $27 or $30 or something like that. This is like $55. My total was like under $100, even with like next day or 2-day shipping or something like that. So after I put this fender eliminator kit on and this, after I sit on it, the fender probably comes down to right here. So any bumps that I hit, honestly, I just smoked the license plate. Obviously, the tire ripped it up here, and you can see where I'm just turning the MC Chrome on this right here. And I guess there's no way to really fix that except I just leave it the way it is because the metal is right here anyway on the back. So my tire's probably going to hit that anyway, and this plate is just, I don't know. It's still readable. It just doesn't say MC, but obviously a car or truck license plate is not going to fit on a little motorcycle. Also, I don't know if last time I updated you guys with the motorcycle, if I had everything painted red. So I'm just going to go over, how I painted it and what I used. So I took all the plastics off here. I mean, it's a little hacked up. You could still see a little bit of the neon and stuff up there, but I don't really care. This is like a little bit orange where this is red. So anyway, I took all the plastics off here. This off, this off, this. Took the metal off right here, the foot pegs. And I painted those with the anodized red look from AutoZone. So it was like probably $20 or something like that for the paint. You can see it's getting a little scuffed up from where my shoes are hitting it. Also where the rubber rubs on this is the paint is chipping off on both sides. And then honestly, I repainted this, but it's already silvered up, so I'm not going to do that again. But I painted the insides and the outsides, obviously, and I think it looks really good compared to the neon that was on there before. My buddy next door has the same exact bike, and his is still neon, so I did this as well. Just painted those, and yeah, so it's nice, kind of little differentiating, piece on there, make it yours. So I love the look of it. I actually get a lot of compliments on the rear sets and stuff like that when people pull up. They really like it. So I just wanted to give you guys like a little update on the 2023 Grom that I've been whipping around town here. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I've been doing with my Honda Grom, all the modifications that I have done to it. I'm thinking that the next mods I'm going to do is either the cam, so the DHM cam with the tune and the intake all in one swing, or I'm going to do a stretch kit, probably 4 or 5 inches I think. I'm not sure yet what I want to do. I mean, the DHM cam seems to add a little bit of horsepower to it, and so does the tune, and obviously the tune makes it run a lot better. I met some guy with a tuned Grom the other day, and it was a night and day difference. I couldn't even keep up with him, and it was a 2018, I think, or 2016 or something. So it was the 4-speed, and I literally couldn't even keep up with this guy. So it kind of made me want to get a tune. So right now I'm currently saving up to get the cam, the tune, and the intake all in one swing. I think it's probably roughly like $400 or something like that. I forget. I'd have to relook it up, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know what I've done to my Grom. Like I said, there's almost 1,400 miles on it. I'm going to ride it to work tomorrow morning, so tomorrow there'll be 1,400 and X amount of miles on it. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's been 3 months, I think, that I've had it, and I love it. I ride it as much as I possibly can. If I have nothing to do on a weeknight, like I might go ride today. I don't know. Again, you know, it's just really enjoyable. It's fun. It's a little bike. Everybody asks what it is. Everybody asks where you get one. Started out with 2 people. It was me, Shafe, that had Groms, and then now all of a sudden everybody has them. We've got like 18 people in a group Snapchat that have Groms, and we just ride through Pittsburgh and stuff like that, and rip and roll, dude. People have seen us around Canonsburg, Pittsburgh, everywhere. We love it. I mean, it's literally the greatest thing ever. It's just fun. One day I'd probably get a big bike, but right now this thing does completely fine. We're thinking about doing a ride to Ohio Pile, and I think that'd be fun, just doing all back roads to Ohio Pile. It's like an hour and 45 minutes. Just go up there, spend a day, and then ride back, you know, towards night. And then another trip that I would like to do this summer, and hopefully I can do it, is riding to Pine Tuning and going and spending a night at the camp up there, and then riding back. So I'd like to do that all back roads. By the time you get up there, it's all flat and everything like that, so it should be a good time. But yeah, that's about all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll try to give you some more updates on it. Don't really do anything to my car. Needs a clutch, but don't really feel like doing that. I'd rather spend money on the Grom, and when the clutch actually goes out and I'm on the side of 79, then I'll decide to buy a clutch. But that's all. That's all I got for you. I want to thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. And yeah, tune in next time for the next one. Peace.